crunchy treat. Bananas, bananas, yellow and bright. Peel and eat, take a bite. Oranges, oranges, juicy and round. Vitamin C all around. Grapes, grapes, purple or green. A bunch of goodness always seen. Strawberries, strawberries, red and small. Pick them fresh, best of all. Blueberries, blueberries, tiny and blue. Sweet little berries, good for you. Mangoes, mangoes, orange and ripe. Tropical fruit, what a delight. Pineapples, pineapples, spiky and tough. Sweet inside, can't get enough. Watermelons, watermelons, big and green. Juicy red, a summer dream. Fruits, fruits, so many to see. Healthy and tasty, as fun as can be.